When converting temperature on the E6B, there are two ways that you can do it. The first being our two formulas. To go to degrees Fahrenheit from degrees Celsius, we take 9 over 5 times x over degrees Celsius, and we add 32. To go to degrees Celsius, we take 5 over 9 times x over degrees Fahrenheit minus 32. So if we are given 18 degrees Celsius and we need to convert that to degrees Fahrenheit, the first step is to use our equation. So we take 9 over 5. So we line up 5 right underneath 9. The second step is to find our number above 18. So we turn our E6B, look right above 18, and we get about, I'd say, 32.4. The final step is to take 32.4 and add 32. So we get about 64.4 degrees Fahrenheit. So let's say a problem asks us to convert 68 degrees Fahrenheit into degrees Celsius. The formula is the same principle, however there are a couple of caveats. Instead of 9 over 5, we actually have 5 over 9. And then in the next proportion, we still have x over degrees Fahrenheit. However, you have to take the degrees Fahrenheit and subtract 32 first. The first step in the conversion to degrees Celsius from Fahrenheit is to take 5 over 9 on the E6B. So we have our E6B and we put 5 over 9. The second step is to take your number in degrees Fahrenheit and subtract 32. So 68 minus 32 gives us a total of 36. So on the E6B, we have to look at our x value above 36. So turning our E6B, we look over 36, and that gives us right about 20. So our final answer is 20 degrees Celsius. Now these formulas are very accurate in terms of converting to either degrees Celsius or degrees Fahrenheit. However, if you need a basic conversion and are in a little bit of a hurry and don't need a very precise number, there is a basic temperature conversion scale at the bottom of your wheel.